Hey everybody, Blaise here, and I want to let you know, for the last 35 years, I've been an animator, and 21 of those years I spent at the Walt Disney Company, where I was an animator, but also a character designer on films like Aladdin and The Lion King and Mulan. And over those years, I've put together a whole bunch of principles and rules that I follow in order to do character design. And so I took those rules, took those parameters that I follow, and I put them into a course that I have at creatureartteacher.com. And that course right now is on sale for $1. It's over 20 videos, 16 hours long. So in my course, I talk to you about what to do before you actually draw, how to draw simple expressions, how to draw eyes that convey emotion, spatial drawing and perspective, creating a clear line of action, how to push your designs, using straights and curves to achieve better designs, making clear silhouettes, how to draw cute, making a clear statement, caricature, costumes and props, and much more. So go on over to creatureartteacher.com, where my video course on character design is just $1. It's only going to be on sale for a limited time, so don't miss out. creatureartteacher.com, character design with Blaise. Go on out there, put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you next time.